Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to present a topic that plays an essential role in human digestion and overall metabolic function. Our presentation is titled Anatomy and Cell Structure of the Gallbladder. We are from Group 18, and my name is Paniko Nasono, and last name is 91.
My name is Nikara Widatari. The ending is NIM 101.
My name is Ibu Hilal Destari with the ending is 109.
My name is Mr. El Chakamidev with my last name 120.
So, anatomy is the identification and description of biology and medicine. People who study anatomy study the body, how it's made up and how it's works. The study of anatomy dates back more than 2000 years ago to the ancient Greeks. There are three broad areas: human anatomy, animal anatomy, plantomy, zootomy, and peditomy. Anatomy is the study of the structure of the human body, and understanding of anatomy is key the practice of medicine and another area of health. The word anatomy comes from the Greek word ana, meaning art, and tongue, meaning a cutting. Traditionally, studies of anatomy have included cutting up or dissecting organisms. Next is hepat. Hepat is the largest gland in the body, located at the top of the right abdominal, 70 below the diaphragm. The liver weighs about 1,200 until 1,600 grams, and the metabolic organ in the body. The liver is divided into two names: left lobe and right lobe.
Next, anatomy hepar. First, the hepar and biliary vesica are located intraepithelially on the capillary epigastric. Next, the lobe of hepatitis sinister is located in the left epigastric or up to the linea mediacolapicularis sinistra in the anterior gauze. Next, the position of the liver varies according its respiration or lower of inspiration, height other, and expulsion, because the area of the node is attached to the diaphragm. Therefore, its position depends on the position of the lungs. Since the diaphragm is down, say the anterior and posterior sides of the liver are partially covered by the clear cavity. Next, in the linea mediacolapicularis, the anterior edge the liver is usually located the same as the right condylis arcus, so that the liver cannot be palpable. In lung enlargements in pulmonary emphysema in a smoker, the liver can be palpable without enlargements. Next, the hepar are divided into the right lobe on the lower capital lobe or beta lobe and sinister lobes, separated by the falciparum ligaments on the frontal sides. Next, the ligamentum formosivor continues, and the coronary ligament, which later becomes the triangular ligaments of the dextrum and the sistrum connecting the diaphragm. Next, the hepar are not covered by the peritoneum in four area, namely: first, node area; second, hepatitis area; third, vesicular buds; and last, sulcus vena cava inferior. Next, carnivascular system. The hepar as hepatic artery divides from the hepatosaccharic artery, raised arterial branch of the transverse soleus. Second, the liver also has an inward and outgoing venous system. Third, the vena partia hepatis collects nutrients or blood from the unbiased abdominal organ or gaster, intestinus, pancreas, spleen or spines, and flows along with arterial blood from the arteria hepatica communis into the sinusoid lobes of the hepaticus. In the liver, there are two lymphatic vascular systems, namely: third, the first, subperitoneal system on the surface of the liver; second, intraparticimal system along the structure of the porta tres to the ileum hepatis. Next. Physiology heparin. The liver has several functions, namely, first, as a blood store, second, metabolic function or metabolism of carbohydrate, fats, protein, third, as a place to store vitamin, next, storing iron in the form of ferritin, next, burning substance used for blood coagulation in light organs, the last, the function of the liver to secrete of extra drug and hormones. The liver is the largest visceral organ or in the abdominal cavity located below the rib skeleton. In living condition, the liver will be red because it is rich in blood supplies and rich in nutrients from the protein fat and hepatic fats.
Hepar function. Metabolic function are metabolism, assimilation of carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, and energy production. The body dependent function, namely as a detoxification of toxins that are ready to be expelled, phagocytosis against foreign bodies and from antibodies, formation and secretion of bile acid, especially from cholesterol, from bile pigment, especially from the breakdown of hemoglobin X. Type of liver damage observed include necrosis, parenchymatose, degeneration, and hydrotic degeneration. Type of damage, first type of liver damage observed include necrosis, parenchymatose, degeneration, and hydrotic degeneration. 2. Parenchymatose degeneration or albumin degeneration is a very mild and reversible degeneration. 3. The degree of hydrotic degeneration is heavier because in this degeneration it appears that the vacuoles contain matter in the cytoplasm that does not contain for glycogen. 4. Cells that undergo death or necrosis have typical core change, namely karyolysis, and pycnotic. Next. Classification of liver disease. From various studies, the classification of liver disease is divided into various types. The following are some liver diseases that are often found according to Chris 1905. Hepatitis. The term hepatitis is used to describe all types of liver inflammation with various causes ranging from virus to medication, including traditional remedies. There are several types of hepatitis virus: hepatitis A, B, C, D, E, and G. Hepatitis A, B, and C are the most common. Viral hepatitis can manifest as acute hepatitis A, chronic hepatitis B and C, or even progress to liver cancer. Liver cirrhosis. After the liver becomes inflamed and swollen, it attempts to repair itself by forming small scars of scar. These scars are called fibrosis, which make it more difficult for the liver to function. As the neck progress, more scars form and begin to emerge, leading to the next stage called cirrhosis and cirrhosis. The damage of the liver can become permanent. Fatty liver occurs when fat accumulation exceeds 5% and of the liver weight or affect more than half of the liver cell tissue. This disorder can arise from exercise, alcohol consumption. Cholestasis and jaundice. Cholestasis is a condition resulting from the failure of bile production and excretion. Prolonged cholestasis can lead to the inability of the intestines to absorb fat and vitamin A, D, E, and K, as well as the accumulation of bile acid, bilirubin, and cholesterol in the liver. Hemochromatosis. Hemochromatosis is an iron metabolism disorder characterized by exercise around the deposition in tissue. This disease is degenerative or karyotype. Liver abscess can be caused by bacterial or amniotic infection. This condition occurs when bacterial multiply rapidly, causing symptoms such as fever and chills. Next are gallbladder.
Gallbladder. Definition. The gallbladder is a small muscle sac that functions to store milk or greenish yellow digestive fluid produced by the liver. The gallbladder has a plate-like shape with the leg of 7 until 10 cm and is a muscular membrane. It is located in the fossa of the visceral surface of the liver. The gallbladder is divided into a fundus, body, and neck. Function gallbladder. First, place for storing bile. Second, concentrates the bile fluid within it by absorbing water and electrolyte. Third, help digestion and absorption of fat. Fourth, plays a role in removing certain waste from the body, especially hemoglobin, which come from the destruction of red blood cell and excess cholesterol. Fifth, bile salts increase the solubility of cholesterol. Sixth, assist in the absorption of fat and fat-soluble vitamin. Seven, bile salts stimulate the release of water by the leg intestine to help move its content. 8. Bilirubin or the main pigment in bile excrete into the bile as a waste product from destroyed red blood cell. 9. Drug and other waste products are excreted in the bile and subsequently eliminated from the body. Part of gallbladder, fundus of the gallbladder, body of gallbladder, neck of the bladder, cytic duct, hepatic duct, common bile duct. Secrecy gallbladder. Bile product by liver cell enter the bile canaliculi, which then become the right and left hepatic duct. The hepatic duct unit to form the common hepatic duct, which then join the cytic duct from the gallbladder and excite the liver as the common bile duct. The common bile duct, along with the pancreatic duct, empties into the duodenum or is diverted for storage in the gallbladder. Bile secretion is regulated by the same nervous or parasympathetic and hormonal or secretion and CCK factor that regulate pancreatic juice secretion. With fatty acid and amino acid with the small intestine, CCK is released, contracting the gallbladder muscle and relaxing the sphincter of body. Bile is then propelled into the duodenum. Disorder that occur in the gallbladder: gallstone, gallbladder inflammation, gallbladder polyps, gallbladder dysfunction, gallbladder cancer. How to maintain gallbladder health? Lose weight gradually if you are overweight. Create a more balanced diet by limiting sugary and fatty food and increasing your consumption of fruit, vegetable, whole grain, and high fiber food. Maintain a regular meal schedule to keep your gallbladder moving smoothly. Exercise regularly and engage in regular physical activity to support digestive health and prevent gallbladder disorder.
It's really too exciting to learn about body parts, is it? That's all we can say. We apologize if there are many mistakes. Thank you.
Arigato.
See you.